Hi, and this is an overview of how to utilize the marketing tool in Curator Live. So you could schedule SMS campaigns after an event has taken place. You could send out a mass text either instantly or schedule it. With that said, it's really easy. If you have the permissions to access marketing, you simply click onto Create Campaign and name it. So let's just say thank you message. Let's hit Start. And then you're going to be taken directly to your campaign page. On here, you obviously have the name of the campaign. You select the Twilio phone number in which you're going to send it from. Now, there is two requirements to use the Curator Live marketing system. The first one is you do need to use your own Twilio. And the second is you do need to have your own vanity URL. So if you do decide to utilize the marketing system, again, two caveats. One, you do need to use your own Twilio system. And you do need to have your own vanity URL. And they need to have been used on the event that you're going to select. So once you select your Twilio, you're able to select the event. So for example, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and click on Select. Now, I'm going to write some content in here. Thank you for coming to this event. And I'm also, at the bottom, you'll see the available tags. I'll go ahead and copy that tag. And it basically allows you to add the latest photo that was delivered to the guest for that specific event. So thank you for coming to this event. Here is a link to your photos. I'll just say photos, and I'll go ahead and paste that in there. Now, there are a few other options here. You can add reply to stop, to unsubscribe, message data rates array reply. That will automatically be sent with this text message. If you don't want to do that, then you would take that off, but I do recommend that you do leave it. And then the second thing is you have a choice. You can either send it immediately, and by doing so, you can either hit done, or you could schedule it. And scheduling it, basically setting your time zone as well as the time and clicking done, and at that point it will actually send. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and click on Done here. And obviously, I did not send it because I do not have a Twilio account connected to this demo account. But basically, once you send it, within 5 minutes, that particular campaign will be delivered. And that is as easy can be when it comes to scheduling SMS text messages to an event that you've created. Thank you very much.